Good morning, Fusion. Today, I want to put the spotlight on someone who shows up, does the work, and never misses. That is Bryan VantHof out of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Over the last 12 months, Bryan has done 54 deals in this down market. And that is a significant increase from where he was when he first came to us. Being the CEO of Fusion, we'd like to take all the credit for that, but we can't, because this is a guy who is locked in and doing the work every single month. Bryan is doing the work to follow the Fusion way. Every single month, without fail, Bryan is making 120 calls, which is basically 5 calls a day. And then he does 10 to 12 face-to-face meetings, super awesome. He does 130 personal emails, that's about 5 or 6 a day, 200 texts, and 4 to 5 videos. Every single month. Not some months when he finds the time, he does it consistently every single week. He makes it a priority like all professionals do. And that is just the beginning. On top of that, Bryan goes above and beyond for his clients. He's just not checking boxes, he is stacking the deck always. One great thing about Bryan is he is leveraging everything that Fusion has to offer. He is not leaving any tools on the table. And when he has an idea, he brings it to us. We listen, and then we help him implement those ideas. That is what this partnership should look like and does for Bryan. The reason why all of this translates into closed escrows is because Bryan has super high integrity, and it runs through everything he does. The way that he treats his clients, the way he handles his business, the way that he shows up each and every day. Bryan is not someone who is winging it. This is someone who decided who they are, and they show up that way and execute every single day. Bryan, I want to let you know personally that we have noticed, and we want you to keep going. To everyone that is watching, this is the Fusion way. The inputs are so important, and they should not be optional. The follow-through should not be optional. If you can prioritize an hour or 2 a day to do these basic things, to have the connection with your sphere at the level that we're suggesting, everything else that Fusion does multiplies in its effects. Our hope for you here at Fusion is that you engage in your part of the partnership so that the results can explode in very, very positive ways. With that, again, I want to say congratulations, Bryan, and for everybody else, let's make it a great day at Fusion, and let's go do our inputs.